Hey, my name is Omar Khan from Sawgrass Ford. Let's take a look at the 2025 redesigned Expedition. A real nice feature with the 2025 Expedition is the 24-inch panoramic display. This promotes your eyes looking out for safety reasons, keeps your eyes on the road. We also have a center console that gives you a nice compartment here. Another great feature you have is the capacitive steering wheel, also with a redesigned shape, and it allows you to be productive while keeping your eyes on the road the whole time. And on top of having a 24-inch panoramic display, you have a 13.2 center touchscreen with plenty of apps. It even allows you to look at podcasts. You even have YouTube on there, and with a climate control bar, so easy to change the temperatures in the vehicle and the cooling seats. Real nice features in the 2025 Expedition. And one real nice feature for long road trips, especially if you're going somewhere cold, you got heated seats in the rear now. And then let's take a look at the split gate in the back. And my favorite design from the 2025 Expedition is the split gate.